course, syempre marami tayong pinagpapasalamat tonight.
Yes, nakakatuwa kasi this is the first GMA event na ang dami kong nakikitang kapamilya stars. So I think and this event tonight says a lot about the Philippine showbiz industry today. So nakakatuwa na wala na talaga. We're all united, to make our viewers happy and our contents to be more powerful with the collaboration of all networks in the country.
And is there anybody that you want to see in particular tonight?
Si Miss Vice.
Bakit?
Tagal na namin hindi nakita eh.
Ayan.
Tsaka miss na miss ko na yun. And ayun, nakita ko na nga siya kanina. And yun nga, parang nakakatuwa lang na andito sila sa event ng GMA.
Ibang feeling na parang sabi mo nga everybody's united and talagang wala na tayong nararamdaman na kahit anong
Na division, tama na, wala na yun.